Hello everyone, welcome back to RegisterKaro. In today's video, we'll be discussing about a very important certification for all the manufacturers who want to enter in the Indian market, which is BIS FMCS Certification. We'll cover what it is, who needs it, documents required, step-by-step process, timelines, cost, and why you need this certification. So let's get started. Firstly, what is BIS FMCS certification? The Bureau of Indian Standards operates the Foreign Manufacturers Certification Scheme, which is FMCS, to allow overseas manufacturers to use the BIS standard mark, which is ISI Mark, on their products to sell their products in India. This certificate ensures your product conforms to Indian standards, builds trust with Indian consumers, and makes your brand legally compliant. Now, who needs it? If you are a manufacturer based outside India and your products falls under the mandatory BIS certification, then this scheme is for you. You must also appoint an authorized Indian representative to handle communication with BIS on your behalf. Next, the documents required. To apply for FMCS, you will need detailed application form, nomination of your authorized Indian representative, factory documents, in-house or third-party testing setup, calibration certificates for testing instruments, and declarations under BIS guidelines. Now, the step-by-step certification process. Step 1. Submit your application to BIS with all the documents and fees. Step 2. BIS verifies your details and assigns a case officer. Step 3. A BIS officer conducts an on-site factory inspection and seals product samples. Samples are sent to approved labs for testing. Step 5. Upon successful results, you will receive a license and a CML number to use the ISI mark on your products. Now the timelines. Once your application is complete and correct, BIS can issue your license within 180 days. But typically the process takes around 6 to 8 months, depending on how prepared you are. So want to get BIS certified the smart way? Let RegisterKaro handle your FMCS process. Fast, accurate, and end-to-end. So click the link in the description or visit registerkaro.in today. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.